In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Zoho Creator. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option controls, and how to give your app a clean, consistent look that matches your brand. First, open Zoho Creator in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. You'll land on your workspace or home screen. From here, find the application you want to style. Click the app to open it. This takes you into the app's overview, where you can access its components and settings. Next, look for the option to edit the app. You'll usually see an Edit This Application button or an Edit Mode entry point near the top of the screen or in the app header. Click it. This opens the Builder, where you control layout, components, and visual settings for the web version of your app. Inside the Builder, you'll notice a panel or toolbar with design controls. Locate the Web section or icon, typically represented by a monitor or web-like symbol. Click it. This switches the context to web-focused design settings, so you're adjusting how the app appears in a browser. While you're here, you'll see a setting for label placement. This controls where field labels appear in your forms, left aligned next to the field, above it, or in another supported position. If you want tighter, compact forms, left placement can save space. If you're aiming for clarity and readability, especially on smaller screens, placing labels on top can make each field easier to scan. You don't have to change this if you're only updating the theme, but it's a useful layout adjustment to consider while you're in the same design area. Now, open the theme controls by clicking the themes icon. It often looks like a color palette or paintbrush. This is where you manage the overall visual style, things like fonts, surfaces, and the general tone of your interface. Browse through the available themes. As you navigate the list, you'll typically see a live preview on the right, so you can gauge how each theme affects headers, buttons, forms, and navigation. Click a theme to apply it in the preview. Feel free to try a few. This is the fastest way to decide what fits best. If your app is used in a professional setting, choose something with clean contrast and legible typography. If it's internal and lightweight, a softer or more playful theme can still work well, as long as it remains accessible. With the theme selected, fine-tune it using the color menu. Open the color picker to adjust the primary color, accent shades, backgrounds, and text elements, depending on what the theme exposes. If you have brand colors, paste their hex codes directly into the picker for an exact match. Keep contrast in mind. Make sure button labels and body text remain readable against your chosen backgrounds. A quick rule of thumb is to use a dark text color on light backgrounds and a light text color on dark accents. Test a couple of screens, forms, lists, and dashboards to confirm everything stays legible. When you're satisfied, click Close to exit the theme panel. This brings you back to the Builder with your new look in place. Many areas in Zoho Creator apply these visual changes immediately, so you can continue building or preview the app to see the results in context. That's it. You've successfully updated your app's aesthetic to the theme you want. Before you wrap up, take a quick pass through your key pages and forms. Make sure headers, buttons, links, and table rows are easy to read and that hover states and active states are visible. If something feels off, hop back into the themes area and nudge the colors, or switch to a different base theme that provides better contrast. Once everything looks consistent, you're ready to share the app with your team or stakeholders, confident that the visual style supports clarity and usability.